The Alesis Turbo Mesh Kit offers a highly realistic and responsive drumming experience, thanks to its all-mesh electronic drum heads that are designed to meet the demands of modern drummers. This premium 7-piece drum set includes an 8-inch mesh snare drum, 3 8-inch mesh toms, 3 10-inch cymbals, and custom-designed Alesis hi-hat and kick pedals, providing a comprehensive and immersive setup. To help drummers of all levels improve their skills, the kit comes with 100 free virtual lessons from Melodics, covering a wide range of genres and techniques. The included lightweight headphones feature a padded headband and ear cushions, ensuring comfort during extended practice sessions. With a closed-back design, the headphones provide superior isolation by reducing ambient noise, allowing drummers to focus solely on their performance. The kit's connectivity options are versatile, as it includes a 6-foot hardwired cord with a molded 1/8-inch TRS connector and a 1/8 to 1/4-inch TRS adapter, making it compatible with virtually any drum module.